to power off the Redmi Note 14S, I will quickly show you how you can do this, and there are 3 ways to do this. The first one, which is the default option to power off your phone, is by using 2 buttons, the power button and the volume up button. As you press them simultaneously, right here you will have this power menu, and simply to disable your phone from this power menu, you'll have to grab this circle, drag it up to power off, and then release your finger, and this will power off your phone. So this is the first default way. The second way, and the classic one, is pressing and holding the power button, but by default most phones actually have the assistant right here on this power button, so you'll have to disable this assistant, and to do this you'll have to go for the settings. From here you have to scroll all the way down, go for the additional settings, and then go for the gesture shortcuts. And right here there is the option Launch Digital Assistant, and this option basically prevents you from enabling the power menu on the power button. So let's press the switch to disable this option, and now as we press and hold the power button, we will have the power menu, and this is the second way to turn off your phone, simply by dragging then the circle up and releasing your finger. So this is the second way. And the third way is you can disable your phone without using any buttons at all. You can do it just by tapping and doing a few taps on your screen. So to do this, you'll have to go for the settings, and as you are in the settings, you'll have to scroll all the way down again and go for the additional settings. And from here you will have to go for the accessibility and go for the accessibility menu. And right here there is this button to enable accessibility menu shortcut. Press this one, press allow, and right here we have this little button with a couple of different shortcuts, and as we tap on this one, we also have the power menu right here. So tap on this one, and this is the third way to actually turn off your Redmi Note 14S. From here, simply by tapping on the circle, dragging up and releasing your finger, and this will disable your phone. And yeah, that's how you can do this.